Hi, this is Manna Jagya. In this capsule lecture, I'll continue to discuss the MH set 2021 question paper. The next question that I have in front of me is, which among the following is not a Freudian concept? The options given are overdetermination, sublimation, libido, condensation. Now remember, this question is sort of wrong because all the four concepts, overdetermination, which means everything has many causes, sublimation, libido, condensation, all these four are Freudian concepts. So you may get a marking if you have answered any of these. Next question is, E.P. Thompson wrote. The options are Marxism and Literature, Culture and Society, The Use of Literacy, The Making of the English Working Class. So E.P. Thompson has written The Making of the English Working Class out of these options, which talks about the labor class and the social class. The Making of the English Working Class was published in the year 1963. Now let us see the other options. Who wrote the other options? Marxism and Literature. This is by Raymond Williams. Culture and Society is also a very famous work by Raymond Williams. The Use of Literacy is a work by Richard Hogarth. The next question. The scene in which Leontio's mother plays chess with Livia, while in another room the Duke effects his seduction of Bianca. This scene occurs in. So this is a very, very famous scene which occurs in Women Beware Women by Thomas Middleton. I'll repeat the question. I'll tell you the options also. We'll discuss the options also. The scene in which Leontio's mother plays chess with Livia, while in another room the Duke is seducting Bianca. This scene occurs in which novel? Options given are The Changeling, B. A Game of Chess, C. A Chaste Maid in Cheapside, D. Women Beware Women. The correct option is Women Beware Women. Women Beware Women is a play by Thomas Middleton. Others, The Changeling is by Thomas Middleton and William Rowley. Both of them have collaborated on this work. A Game of Chess is basically a part of The Wasteland by T.S. Eliot. It's a song in T.S. Eliot's Wasteland. A Chaste Maid in Cheapside is also by Thomas Middleton. And our correct answer is Women Beware Women, which is also by Thomas Middleton. Next question, a very easy one, repeatedly asked a many number of times. Jeremy Collier, in his A Short View of Immorality and Profaneness of the English Stage, attacked A. Romantic comedy, B. Sentimental comedy, C. Restoration comedy, D. Tragicomedy. This is a very easy one. Jeremy Collier attacked restoration comedy. The last 3 decades of the plays were really profane, immoral, so he was attacking restoration comedy. And under restoration comedy, basically he was more attacking on William Congreve and John Vanberg. And after this particular work by Jeremy Collier, A Short View of the Immorality and Profaneness of English Stage, was published in the year 1698. And after this work, Congreve wrote The Way of the World, which was published in 1700. So it was like a reply to Jeremy Collier's A Short View of the Immorality and Profaneness of the English Stage. So this work attacks restoration comedy, particularly Congreve and John Vanberg. That's all for this short session. Thank you.